Hello you guys. On this video we're going to talk about Halawa, sugar hair removal, and we're going to be talking about this product. It is from Egypt, and I like this one because it comes in a rectangular size. It comes in this bag and you warm it up and then you're going to turn it into like this, like ball. Basically you're just going to pull it, bring it forth, and then it's going to turn like a golden color, like a golden beige color, and then that's how you're going to know that it's ready to be used. It's going to get like super sticky, so then you put it on the skin. You're gonna pull it, and then you can use this anywhere in your body. You can use it in your face, you can use it eyebrows, not on your eyebrows, but around your eyebrows. You can use it anywhere in your body, and it will remove hair, and also it will remove dead skin cells. That's how you do sweet. This is ancient Egyptian beauty secret number 5, I believe. This is about 3,000 years old, if you ask me. It is feels really good on the skin, and gets rid of dead cells. You know, sometimes either you shave or wax or whatever, and you can't get rid of all the cells, the dead cells. This will get rid of them. And I really love the outcome of using this product. So I've been using it for about a year and a half. Any of the skin so soft. So anywhere on your body, any of the leaves the skin so soft. So this is Beauty Secret number 5 from the ancient Egyptian beauty secrets. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Beauty Secrets number 6.